Okay, for this video, I'm going to use the method of solving by graphing. This is our least accurate method. If they're real nice and they give you answers that are always integers, which the text tends to do, then it's not so hard as long as you're graphing on Hawks, where they have a nice grid for you. You can get the answer exact, but of course you don't know it's exact until you check it. So the reason to check your answer here is not just to make sure it's right, but also to see that if it's exactly right. So I have these two equations, y equals 2x minus 3 and y equals negative x plus 1. And I would just graph it on my calculator, since you have a graphing calculator for this course. Put 2x minus 3 into the y1 menu and the minus x plus 1 into the y2 menu. If you don't know how to do this, just search on Google. Okay, search for the manual, and then the manual will show it to you if you don't have a physical manual. I don't carry one around with me, so if I don't know how to do something, I just Google it. Use the technology we got. Now you can find the intersection of this on your calculator using this button calc. If you look on your calculator, you'll find a button calc, and then from there you have a menu 1 through whatever. Choose number 5, scroll down to it and click enter, or just press number 5 on the calculator and it'll go directly to it. And then you put the cursor on the first line. Well, it'll be on one of the two lines already. You press enter, then it'll jump to the other line and you press enter again. And then guess just means move the cursor near where they intersect. The only reason that's for is when you're finding the intersection of curves that are not straight lines. So it doesn't really matter, but you still have to do it because that's the way the algorithm's set up. But, if you have things that aren't straight lines, they could intersect in 2 or 3 or more places, and so you have to put the cursor near the one you want. Here, there's only going to be one point of intersection, so you just put it near there and then press enter again. That's the procedure, and then it kicks out 4/3, comma, minus 1/3. So if you were just graphing it, chances are, and then looking at it, graphing it by hand and looking at it, there's a very good chance you wouldn't have got that it was 4/3 and negative 1/3. But using a calculator, you can tell that those are the numbers. It might be like 1.33333333, comma, negative 0.33333333, but I'm pretty sure that those are thirds. Okay.